Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.
So obviously I have no makeup on right now, so let's just jump right in and get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the Laura Mercier Pore Canvas Primer. And then next, using my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Oil-Free Broad Spectrum SPF 20 Sunscreen, I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. And then of course, using my Tati Beauty Blendiful, I'm gonna just blend it and make sure everything is flawless and seamless without any harsh lines or any craziness going on. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick in the shade Oaks on You. And then taking my Tati Beauty Blendiful one more time, I am going to blend all that out. To bring in a nice springy, summery glow, I'm going to take the NYX Bright Ideal Illuminating Stick, and this is in the shade Pinky Dust, using it as my blush, blending it with my Blendiful. To give myself a more dewy highlight look, I'll be putting on the Dominique Cosmetics Prisma Glow Skin Gloss. And this time, using the mini heart-shaped Tati Beauty Blendiful, I'll be using that to apply the skin gloss. For my brows, I'll be taking the e.l.f. Brow Wand and brushing out my brows. To completely fill in the rest of my brows, I'm taking the e.l.f. Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. For this fun spring makeup look, I'll be using the palette by Pixie Beauty and their collaboration with Heart Defensor. First, taking the shade February 4th on my Dominique Cosmetics DS03, the blend-in shade, I'll be placing this all over my lid. Using the same brush, I'll be taking the shade called Fur Babies and placing it as a transition shade. To add in a little bit of definition to my eyes, I'll be taking the Dominique Cosmetics DS04, the crease blur brush, and taking the shade Coffee and placing it mainly on the outer corners of my eyes. And now to add the perfect amount of reflectiveness, using the Dominique Cosmetics DS05, the pigment brush, I'm taking the shade called The Best Fam and placing that on the center of my eyes. For my eyeliner, I'll be taking the LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner and lining my eyes. And then to really give myself a lengthening and volumizing look, I'm taking the Thrive Cosmetic Enriched Black and placing that on my lashes. We're getting close to the end. To finish the look, I'll be taking the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry Fruit Rouge and placing that all over my lips. To add in a little bit of gloss, I'm taking the Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade and placing that on my lips as well. To make sure my makeup is set and locked in place, I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and setting my face. Okay you guys, here is the final look, and I went ahead and added a little clip to my hair. Super cute and adorable, and this is what it looks like. This is my 2020 spring makeup look, and I think it turned out very nice and adorable, and here is the final result.
So fly.
Alright, so that is it you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this little quick, easy springtime makeup tutorial. If you did like this video, go ahead and subscribe for more content. And of course, like this video, give it a big thumbs up. That does mean so much and helps me so much, you guys. If you haven't already, click that notification bell. That way when I do upload, which I'll be uploading a lot more since we are stuck in the house together, and I mean, what else would you be doing besides watching YouTube? Well, of course, you could be working, doing the laundry, I don't know, washing the dishes, all that good stuff. But, you know, I'm pretty sure somewhere on your to-do list there is watching YouTube. So go ahead and click that bell and subscribe. Comment down below what other content you want me to do, and follow me on my other social media. Links to that is all in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. And what else? That's pretty much it, you guys. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time, you guys, and stay safe. Bye.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.